Hi there. Can I ask you something?
Hmm?
When is the last time you had your eyes checked?
Hmm.
Exactly. Quickly forget why you haven't, or why you don't check your eyes more often. With Easee, you can check your eyes online, whenever and wherever you want. All you need is a computer, 3 meters of space, and a smartphone. Our virtual assistant will seamlessly guide you through the eye exam. Done? You'll find out immediately if you need glasses or not, or if your current glasses or lenses need correction. And within 24 hours, your validated prescription will be delivered straight to your inbox. Then, you can shop for the lenses or glasses wherever you like. Simple. Discover your moment of clarity. Start your eye exam on easee.online. See clearly. Easee.